Preview perfection. Discover the new broadcast preview button in ClickFunnels 2.0. Ever wish you could quickly check how your broadcast looks without jumping through hoops and entering the email editor? Well, good news, introducing the new preview button on the broadcast form. Page in ClickFunnels 2.0. This button may be tiny, but it packs a powerful punch. Here's why. Speed and simplicity. No more toggling back and forth. Preview your emails in a flash. Say goodbye to errors. Spot and fix those typos or formatting snafus before they go out. Enhanced user experience. We're all about making your workflow smoother and more enjoyable. Focus on what matters. Spend more time crafting your perfect message, less on navigating the system. This update means more efficient, error-free broadcasts and a much smoother email marketing experience. Whether you're whipping up a quick update or crafting a detailed newsletter, this new feature is here to make your life easier. So go ahead, give it a try.